Title: Master the Memory Palace. Remember anything with ease. Welcome back, mindful mentors. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of an ancient memory technique that's so powerful, it can help you remember almost anything. It's called the Memory Palace, and it's been used by memory champions and scholars for centuries. Get ready to supercharge your brain. The Memory Palace, also known as the method of loci, is a mnemonic device that uses visualization to organize and recall information. Here's the basic idea. Create a mental map of a familiar place, your palace. Place vivid, memorable images representing information within this space. To recall, mentally walk through your palace and see the information. Our brains are wired for spatial memory and vivid imagery. Combining visual, spatial, and emotional elements creates stronger neural connections. This technique engages multiple areas of the brain, enhancing recall. Studies show it can improve memory performance by 50% or more. Let's use the Memory Palace to remember the planets in order. Front door: Mercury, a thermometer made of mercury. Living room: Venus, a beautiful woman on the couch. Kitchen: Earth, a globe in the sink. Bathroom: Mars, red water coming from the tap. Bedroom: Jupiter, a giant striped pillow. Closet: Saturn, rings hanging among your clothes. Attic: Uranus, a frozen blue ball. Roof: Neptune, water splashing everywhere. Use all your senses in your visualizations. Make your images bizarre, funny, or emotionally charged. Create multiple palaces for different subjects. Regularly review and walk through your palaces, combined with other techniques like acronyms or rhymes for even better recall. Memorizing vocabulary for language learning. Remembering key points for presentations or exams. Recalling important dates and events in history. Learning complex processes or sequences. Improving name and face recognition.